how to change YouTube app language. So first of all, open YouTube application. Now at the bottom, go ahead and tap on the option of U. Then tap on gear icon at the top right. From here, go to Languages. On top, select on App Language. Now from the list given, choose on language you wish to choose for YouTube. So for now, I'm going to choose on French. Now, after this, go ahead and tap on Change. And with that, you can see that you would be able to change YouTube app language easily. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.